And we're thread chasing this last little bolt to get all the old RTV and Loctite off of it. And this last one for the lower oil pan. Alright, so put this back. Now we gotta put some RTV on this bad boy. It's a actual Greddy Sr20. Just kind of giving these things one more little go here. Guess we'll start with the old crank pulley. Got my key already in there. Kind of ran some grease, some assembly lube actually. I literally just got it on there, just beating it with my hand like this. Never really want to force it, obviously, this is the key. I almost forgot. I need to put the dipstick back in here before I put all these brackets and things in the way. That ought to do it. And we got an alternator on there, and the water pump pulley. Got the belt on there, got it tensioned up. There it is. Power steering pump on. Just loosely put the valve cover on, so I don't like keeping the valve cover on when I put the engine in the car. I like to have it off just so the straps and shit don't mess it up. Not a nice paint job, man. You know what I mean? Gotta keep it clean. Gotta keep it clean, even though it has a bunch of crap on it. Yeah, from here, I already got the CAS in too. Obviously I'll have to time it once the car is started. But all we gotta do now is bolt the old transmission on and drop her back in the car. What up, what up, what up, what up? I'm happy because it's back in the car. Yeah, messed up my valve cover real good though. Did a nice number on that. Of course, can't have nothing nice. I managed to spray some carb choke cleaner on it by accident, and it literally ate through the powder coating like instantly. So, gotta get the cover redone, but it's a small problem in the line of things. The car runs great. She's back and running. This time around, it's a lot better. No weird noises, no crazy stuff. Interior and all my wiring was done last time, so it's actually really clean in here. Can't be more pleased with my Coverlay dash cover. So I got to do a couple small things. Add a hose here that actually connects to my coolant reservoir. Managed to get some new tubes for both my oil catch can and the reservoir here, so it looks a little fresher. So I've been doing some cleaning around the garage and kind of have a lot of Christmas stuff and things packed in here, shelving and things I need to get out of here before I can put the coupe back in the garage, because I really don't want to be in the backyard too much longer. But this is our next project here. This is the headliner for my trusty old Silverado. So I'm thinking now, I've kind of went through the phases on this one, but I'm going to do what I did to one of my Volkswagens years ago and just spray some rubberized coating on this whole thing and basically just make it bedliner roof. Tried to register this thing the other day, but they denied me at the DMV, so I got another appointment on Monday. Hopefully I can get it taken care of, because I'm ready to start riding this thing. Crank her up for you guys so you can see. It's got a couple exhaust leaks, I think, from the downpipe. One of the bolts I couldn't really get to that great. I need to just jack it up and tighten her down some more. But she's back. I'm so excited. Yeah. I haven't actually had time to time it yet. I haven't actually had time to bleed the actual coolant system all the way, so that's something I'll probably do as well this weekend. You can kind of hear the exhaust leaks, just a little downpipe kind of, but the engine runs much better. We're back. Oh yeah.